Hello everyone, it's Melissa. I'm here to do my, it feels like it seems like my once a year haul video. I don't do these videos hardly at all, except for when I go to the Mega Meet by my house. It's a little drive, but totally worth it. So it's called the Great Lakes Scrapbook Expo, and it is at the Suburban Collection Showplace, and it is so fun. Me and some girlfriends left Friday morning and headed out there, and so I'm gonna go ahead and get started and start sharing what I got. I don't feel like it's a ton, but it's enough for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the washies. Now this is a mixture of what I got at the Expo as well as what I got at Joanns, Michael's, and Hobby Lobby. So this says cheers washi tape, this says Happy New Year, and this is some bats. All really good deals. This is a new line from Joanns called Park Lane, and I thought these were some really fun school washi tapes. I got 2 lights from Joanns, and with my coupon and everything else, they came to be something like 16 bucks. So super pleased with that. And then I got this one from the Expo. It just has some plus signs on it. I thought it was really sweet. Let's see. So the Eyelet outlet is there, which is a fun little place to get all kinds of enamel dots. Very inexpensive. They're like $1. And then I usually pick up some of these fun brads. This one is some gears. These were on clearance. They're teeny tiny candy corns. And these are fun glasses. I love these because they are the size of a lot of the critters and things. I even put these on apples and apple stamps for teachers and whatnot, so that's fun. From Tim Holtz, I did see him there. He was there with his crew. This was the only thing I picked up from his booth, and it's Dilutions Back Chat, and this is like a fun, I don't want to say rainbow, but looks like watercolor effect. And then there's white in here also, and they're just some really fun sayings. Very, I don't know, everyday, like, you know, eat the cake and be positive, and I didn't give in, and I can't be bothered. Anyway, fun. Okay, then from one of the other booths, I got some flare badges. I thought these would be perfect for a Father's Day page I'm sure that I will do coming up. I picked up one die, and it's from the Dynamics, my favorite thing. And I used my 40% off because I actually bought this at Scrappy Chic, which is a store out that way. It's like one of the very last scrappy local scrapbook stores. And then from Michael's, Saturday they had 40% off plus another 20, so I got these for 60 off. They're stickers and just some vacation sport ones and golf. I picked this up for $4. It was half off, and it's from My Mind's Eye, and they're fun little 8x10 little ready-to-go art prints is what they're called. But I thought they were really fun. They've got some glitter elements if I wanted to frame some artwork, and I thought for $4, why not? I'll show you the pattern paper I purchased, which is not much, but all, you know, stuff I will use. This is basketball paper, and this, you know, fun cut aparts. Here's some more basketball paper. Actually, what's on the back of that? Just some stripes. This is another fun cut apart sheet. Here's a golf one. I thought that was fun. All 12 by 12. This is a travel cut apart. Had some really fun. And then these are both for swimming. One just says swimming across the top, and then this water. So, okay. Oh, that one says swim team on the back. Another basketball cut apart. I like doing inserts for my son, and we do go to basketball games. So here's a cycling paper from Jelly Bean Soup. This is from the 2 Cool for School line. And then here's another. I got 2 of these from Jelly Bean Soup, and they are the chart of elements. So that's fun for my back to school pages, and just has some graph paper on the back. I got this from Jelly Bean Soup because I just loved it. No other reason. I just think it's great. And then hexagons on the back. I purchased this one from Jelly Bean Soup, the Too Cool for School line. And yeah, if you guys follow me on social media, I sent this picture. I took a picture of this while I was away with my friends for the weekend, and I sent it to my son, and yesterday I posted on Instagram, which I will link in the video below. He had a post-it note in my crafty space on my table that he left for me. So I picked up some cycling cut-apart sheets and 2 cheerleading sheets. So this one just says cheerleading on the bottom, and then this is a cut-apart. So fun. So yeah, so that was my all very themey pattern paper. I didn't buy anything other than that. I did get 1 collection pack. So let's see, I got a couple of stamps. So I purchased this one for like $2. I just thought that there were some fun sentiments on there. All the lawn fun in the booth that I was at was on sale, so I picked up this, Thanks a Bushel. And this one, my daughter's been eyeing it forever. I picked up this one because, I don't know, I just loved it. Okay, this was a make and take. I thought it was so fun, super easy. I picked up some of these at Joanns because my kids, I don't know, they disappear. So my kids use these a lot. This is a 2-pack. And then you guys, for $2.89, and it actually was less because I bought a couple, I bought this Hello Fall Simple Stories, and 112 pieces. So all of the 4x6. And I know I say that I don't buy Project Life cards, but for $3 with all this ephemera, and I could totally cut these apart, I thought, yeah, we're gonna do that. I bought a travel one as well from the same booth. I'm not exactly sure what the booth was, but this has 117 pieces in it. And I mean, even for me making my own flair and all kinds of fun stuff, I just thought, oh yeah. Here's one of those. I wanted to try one of these vinyl outline stickers from Crazy Creations. This one's the stacked cupcakes. You'll be seeing a card. I'm going to make a card with this with some fun ultra fine glitter. So that'll be fun. And then one of the things on my list that I wanted to pick up was chipboard. So I took advantage of, you know, $2.50 because I bought all of these. I know it says $2.89, but I got this sheet for $2.50. And I don't know how old it is, you guys. It's all brand new to me because, you know, I don't buy any of this stuff. So this one's fun. This is the Vintage Blessings, and this one is Hello Fall. Coordinates with that pack I just bought. And you guys, you know what I do? If you have been following me for a little while, you know that I will go ahead and dismantle this and put it in the places where I think it would fit best. I keep all my embellishments in these clear boxes from Michael's and Joann's, and you know, I just dismantle all these pieces. Will be dismantled and dispersed into, you know, where my mind visually tells me that I'm going to use them the quickest. It's one of those things where, you know, when you see something, be like, okay, give me in a second decision. Where do you see yourself using this? You know, so that's how I'm going to separate those. I'll just use my Tim Holtz scissors and start cutting away. I bought one of these because these are always fun for Project Life. I bought some of these. I haven't been using these as clips per se. I've been taking them off of here and using them as pieces of flair. So I'll probably do that with these as well. Again, $2.50. And one of my things on my list, I wanted some. These I got for $2.50. These, the Echo Park booth was there, so I got some photo sleeves. I wanted the 2 4x6 orientation. And then you guys, I got this for $10. Was it $10? No, $12. But either way, I am overjoyed because there's a ton in here. So there's 12 sheets, and I know you're probably saying, oh my gosh, you don't need Christmas, and you're right, I don't. But I couldn't beat the price on this. There was all kinds, but this is the one that I know I would use. Because you know me, I'm always putting these types of things on gift tags for the holidays, the presents I wrap. So this has some ephemera. I'm going to open it, but I apologize for the crinkle. So there's some washi in here, some fun snowman washi, some bits of ephemera. It's called Sub-Zero. Again, a collection I've never heard of, so all new to me. There's 6 sheets of this. There's this fun sheet of chipboard. It's all kinds of fun winter sports and, you know. And then this sheet of stickers. You know, just love 12 by 12. And then 12 double-sided. There's some cut aparts here. Pieces of paper. Could not leave the booth without this. Just one of those impulse buys that I bought, I don't want to say out of spite, but I mean when something seems too good to be true, I don't want to say it probably is, but yeah, so I was leaving with that. Anyway, so I think this is a nice haul. This is all kinds of new goodies for me to play with. And so if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll have my Facebook and Instagram links in the description box. I would love for you to come over there. Follow me on those social media sites, and also give me a thumbs up to this video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.